Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a school or company uniform you have worn. So if you worked in a company, they gave you a uniform, or if you were at school, there was a uniform. You should say what it was. Now remember, this is all in past tense. What it was means the uniform was. How you got it means from where you bought the uniform and all that. What it looked like. Now you will talk about the looks in that very uniform and explain how you felt about it. How you felt about it means by wearing that uniform, what were your feelings? You felt good, you felt bad, you felt comfortable, uncomfortable. You can talk like that. So here is your topic, and you have 1 minute time. You can jot down some notes, then you got to speak on it for 1 to 2 minutes.
Uniform enforces discipline whenever, wherever it's worn. I remember that in my job in my company, our company didn't allow us to wear uniform in office because I am a marketer, and they never allow us. But I remember that when I was in school, I wear a uniform, white shirt along with black pant, and I know that a uniform give us a disciplinary life, provides us disciplinary life, as well as to feel ourselves improved, that we, and it also help students to know to not each other who is poor or who is rich in the same classroom. And I brought it from school stationery shop. It was and every year I brought new one because I grew up very fast, due to which my parents brought uniform for me. I rarely feel pride whenever I wear a uniform, and especially on Friday. There are 4 different types of groups, like red, blue, green, and white. And on Friday I wear red shirt along with black pant. It's really free. I really feel pretty.
Okay, all right, that's good. Well, that's fine, but there are grammatical mistakes, especially the use of tenses. Your topic was in the past tense, but as you were speaking, you are using past and present. Like you said, I wear the uniform. I wore. Okay, and then you said uniform give us. It should have been like that uniform gave us or gave me. Then you said it also helped. It should have been it also helped.
Or it should be help us.
Helped. Not us, actually. The topic is about you.
Yeah.
So instead of us, you should use me. Yes.
Yeah.
Then you said I grow very fast. It should have been I grew very fast. At that age, I grew very fast.
Grew up very fast.
Exactly. Second form. Yeah. So then you said I feel. It should have been I felt. Right? And these type of mistakes were quite frequent, and you were not very fluent also.
Yeah.
You should focus your fluency also, right? Yes. Now let's move on. Speaking part 3. Why should students wear uniform?
Students should wear uniform because uniform give them disciplinary life, and they, first of all, they do not know about each other who is poor or who is rich in the same class. Everyone have same address.
Everyone has
same address.
Dress, not address.
Dress, which also to communicate well with each other.
Okay. On what occasions should people wear uniform?
Uniform is not. I think uniform is not for occasion purpose. It is just only for student life and for some companies which are multinational.
Okay. Should companies ask their employees about the design of their uniform?
Yes, of course, because employees have to wear uniform. They should ask to their employees about their color selections as well as their design.
Okay,
of
all right. And you should wait for the examiner to finish the question, then start your answer. Okay. Can people tell someone's personality by his or her clothes?
Yes, but sometime, as you know, sometime there is a person who is brilliant and he has some sort of work due to which he didn't wear a good looking dress, and we cannot call this.
Okay, so number one, you need to focus your grammar,
Yeah.
right? Because grammatically your sentences are incorrect. Number two, you should focus your ideas, because the ideas you are presenting, some of them are not very clear. And number three, for part three, your answers are really short and your answers are lacking information.
Yes, of course.
So you should focus that thing also. Looking at your present level, the way you are speaking, this may bring you maximum 5.5 band.
Yeah.
Maximum. It can be 5 also.
Yeah.
So you should focus all the things which I told you,
Yes.
and then your band score will improve.
Inshallah.
Right? Thank you.
Thank you.